It's a 2018 Range Rover Velar, protected with Halo Mini. So if a thief got in, done a relay attack, copied the key, went to start the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. So hop in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a flash, and we can start the vehicle up and drive away. As soon as we pull up somewhere, get out of the vehicle, the system arms, confirmed with 2 flashes, and it's going nowhere. If you want to change this code, you can set your own code on this vehicle. To do that, you first prove it's you with your old code, receive your flash. Now you don't start the vehicle, so foot off the brake, tap the start button. You'll then put your foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We receive a double flash. Now it's ready for a new code. So we'll set plus, minus, minus. Turn the vehicle off. We get a flash to confirm our code. So now when we get in, you'll see the old code doesn't work, doesn't do anything. So we'll get back in the vehicle, do our new code, receive our flash, and we could now start up and drive away. If you're taking this for a service, what you'll do when you hop into the vehicle, when the system's active, you first have to prove it's you. So we'll pop our code in. Now the system knows it's us, we've got our flash, foot off the brake again, tap the start button, we'll repeat our code, 1, 2, 3, 4, but this time we're going to hold on the last button press. So we'll keep it held until we get 5 flashes on the dash, and then it becomes a normal vehicle. So while it's at Range Rover, they can service it, road test it, do what they need to do. It's just going to be a normal car, like there's no immobiliser on it. We've got our 5 flashes, we can let go of the button, turn the vehicle off. You'll see it doesn't activate when we get out, and the car's going to fire up without the need for a code, and they can do what they need to do. It's just a normal car. When you get it back, remember to turn this system back on. So to do that, foot off the brake, tap the start button, just like before, pop your code in and hold on the last button. But when it comes out, you're just going to get 1 flash. So keep it held until you get the 1 flash. That'll confirm the system's back on, your vehicle's now secure again, and your Halo Mini's active. So there we go, we've got that. You'll know it's back on because when you leave the vehicle, 2 flashes and it activates. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and as you've seen, this is a nice easy system. 1, 2, 3, 4, receive a flash, start the vehicle. This is the Halo Mini. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.